Up from the skies. Exp Emp. I was standing on the walkway to my house. Okay, so is the entrance to the inn at Queen Anne. A man walked up and said, "Excuse me." I moved. He moved. We each guessed incorrectly. Then he said, "I'm sorry." The funny thing is, I knew exactly what he meant. A few nights ago, as I was returning from my jam room, the place where I go play guitar next to Key Arena, I was walking home, and I passed two heterosexual couples leaving the hotel. The first guy to pass me said, "Maybe I should go find a street corner," perhaps inviting the second guy to say, "Damn, maybe just a shelter." The very last person of this quartet, a relatively cute blonde, sporting a Barbie ponytail and getting away with it, nervously giggled. At least one of them showed humanity. These two jokers didn't deserve a response, so the words which sprang to my mind instantly remained unuttered. Or I could just go to my room. Maybe they had never seen someone staying in a hotel who knows how to play a guitar, meaning they can't afford to stay in hotels rock stars stay in. Or maybe they wanted to insult me because I'd sport more style than they did if I dressed like Raggedy Andy on the set of The Walking Dead. Next. I'm 6'3", and from what I've learned, I'm taller than 95% of men in the world, essentially meaning I'm taller than 95% of the people in the world. The man who said, "Excuse me," was a good 2 inches taller than me, but really skinny, so I'm sure I could have taken him. And what he said, did I think he was insecure? Did I think that he lacked self-confidence? As I mentioned earlier, I knew exactly what he meant because I have used similar language in similar situations. What he communicated to me as someone who gropes language was, "I'm right here. Be not afraid." Did I mention he was an African American? Can you guess the ethnicity of the jokers? So a free translation lesson for all my friends. When someone speaks in a way that you may consider self-deprecating or demonstrating low self-worth, consider these lines from one of my favorite poets, who also happens to be the greatest of guitarists incarnate, Jimi Hendrix. "I just want to talk to you. I won't do you no harm."